Drink slow to feed the nose. You know he likes to get blown. I drink slow to feed the nose. You know he likes to get blown. I drink slow to feed the nose. You know he likes to get blown. I drink slow to feed the nose. You know he likes to get blown. Get blown.
When I dropped out of college, down, she was down when I rode in Impala. Played with a pussy in the Jeep, yeah, she was down with the four-play driving. Jumped in the car when she hit my digits. You don't want nothing just to pull up at the projects. Easy to me, my nigga, fill it with a scene. You can always seen with a killer. Hand stitched by my dealer. Dealing with a scene, you ain't seen what you mean, my jeweler. Shit, he got the scripts for the cough. In the age, gotta hit Johnny for the false. Swerved off, in it been a minute since they see a weird nigga from the corner. Put it on for the south, straight up. On my mama. No nigga, be close. Go nigga, grab my bottle. Go nigga, grab my condom. Keep your head, my nigga. Niggas gon' be billionaires, my nigga. Look how much time that shit might take. Niggas ain't playing with these niggas.
I drink slow to feed the nose. You know he likes to get blown. I drink slow to feed the nose. You know he likes to get blown. I drink slow to feed the nose. You know he likes to get blown.
B.I.G. Sean Don.
I drink slow to feed the nose. You know he likes to get blown. Get blown.
Bitch, don't you play me, don't you try me. I need the exact amount. Look at my face, oh, eye to eye me. I'm a boss, make sure you and your homies dress up tie to tie. When you see me, ho, or I take that white tee and tie-dye diet. I mean, goddamn, nigga. You forgot where I came from? I'm from where you ain't from, where you can't come, where it ain't none, where these bitches is bitches and they ain't nuns, where they hate from. But as soon as you blow, they act like they been down since day one, where it's fucking tank guns. But niggas never join the army like it ain't one. If I ain't got it, then I'm hunting. I'm either counting or I'm coming. Swear I just done bought that mansion. Treat that shit like it's a dungeon. Up at 5 a.m. still working, but I treat it like it's one. I'm never acting like I got it, bitch. I'm acting like I want it on these